Are you tired of feeling stuck and unfulfilled in your life? Well, it's time to break free from the rut and start living a life of purpose and success. The first step is to take a long, hard look at yourself and acknowledge what is holding you back. Identify your limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns that have been keeping you stagnant. Next, set clear and specific goals that align with your passions and values. Create a detailed action plan that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve each goal. Break these actions down into smaller, manageable tasks to keep yourself motivated and on track. Eliminate distractions and time-wasting activities that are hindering your progress. Invest in self-improvement by reading influential books, attending workshops, or hiring a coach. Surround yourself with positive and like-minded individuals who will support and encourage your growth. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity and refuse to let setbacks discourage you from pursuing your dreams. Develop a daily routine that includes exercise, healthy eating, mindfulness practices, and goal-driven activities. Focus on building new habits and rituals that will contribute to your personal and professional development. Take consistent action, even when you don't feel like it, because real change happens through sustained effort. Learn to manage your time effectively and prioritize tasks that will lead to long-term progress. Maintain a positive mindset and practice gratitude daily to shift your perspective and attract abundance into your life. Celebrate every small win along the way to stay motivated and inspired. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things, as growth happens when you challenge yourself. Stay persistent and resilient, knowing that success often comes to those who persevere through tough times. Be accountable to yourself and track your progress to ensure you are staying on course. Find and pursue your true passions, for true fulfillment only comes from doing what you love. Stay disciplined and committed to your goals, even when faced with distractions or temporary setbacks. Take care of your physical health, as it directly impacts your mental and emotional well-being. Believe in yourself and your abilities, as self-confidence is crucial for overcoming obstacles. Cut out toxic relationships and surround yourself with positive influences who will uplift and inspire you. Practice visualization techniques to create a clear image of the life you desire and work towards manifesting it. Take responsibility for your own happiness and realize that you have the power to create the life you want. Remember that progress is not linear, and setbacks are a natural part of any journey. Stay focused on your goals and have faith in your ability to overcome any challenges that come your way. Always strive for continuous growth and improvement, for personal development is a lifelong journey. Don't settle for mediocrity, as you have the potential to achieve greatness in all areas of your life. So, are you ready to break free from the rut and start living a life of passion and purpose?